Greetings to all, this is Namila, the sales staff from GRUDA Hair Factory. Welcome back to our hair extension series. Do you wish to purchase hair in bulk as a novice to launch your business? In this video, I'll walk you through the process of identifying the best stores in addition to where to purchase wholesale hair extensions. First of all, set up money for wholesale hair purchases. Launching a hair business, having a solid financial foundation is crucial. Before you buy Vietnamese hair wholesale, make sure you have a bucket in place. Secondly, look for a trustworthy wholesale Vietnamese dealer. If you want to select the top hair merchants, you should read evaluations and join many organizations about purchasing and selling Vietnamese hair wholesale. You may also use Google to look for Vietnamese hair purchases by entering relevant keywords. Ask anyone you know who has purchased Vietnamese hair for information. Once you are selected a trustworthy vendor, you can get in touch with them to deal. If you wish to purchase wigs, you can purchase 2 or 3 bundles with frontals or lace closure to create a wig. Experienced wholesalers frequently apply this strategy to reduce expenses. Not to mention, place your order and make a payment. And never spend money without first getting your hair checked. Above are some useful tips for you if you have no experience buying wigs in Vietnam. Hopefully, if we have checked a lot and choose a trustworthy organization, one of which is GRUDA HAIR Vietnam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and recommend our channel to your friends. Bye bye.